In this video, I am going to discuss how to rotate an object in AutoCAD with two given conditions. In the first condition, we will learn how to rotate an object parallel to a given line by using parallel object snap. In the second condition, we will rotate an object to match a line using reference angle. Alright, starting with our first condition where I want to rotate this object in such a way that it becomes parallel to this given line. So for doing this, I'll give rotate command by typing RO in the command line and enter. Select the object. Enter, then specify the base point around which you want to rotate the object. After this, I'm going to press Shift and right-click. Select Parallel Object Snap. Then take your cursor on this line to acquire a point. Make sure you don't click anywhere and simply move your cursor back to where it would be parallel. Once it shows a dashed ray, then you can click there. And that's it. We are done with the first condition. Now in the second condition, I want to rotate this object in such a way that it will match this line. So, I'll give rotate command by typing RO in the command line and enter. Select the object. Enter. Then specify the base point around which you want to rotate the object. And click on Reference. Then give the reference angle. I want to align this side of the object, therefore, I'll click on 2 points on this side. Then I'll give the new reference, so I'll click on the endpoint of this line so that the object will be aligned to this. That's all. Thanks for watching.